It's Drew Russell with Real Estate Solutions and Michael Saunders and Company here in Sarasota, Florida. And this is a quick video on 3 ideas surrounding tips for buying new construction. I'm here on site actually at one of my properties that's about to close in a couple weeks here in the Waverly subdivision off of Proctor Road in Sarasota, and was just checking on it and wanted to relate just a few ideas for you guys to think about before you jump into purchasing new construction. What are 3 ways that your realtor can help? Number 1, we can help you navigate all the multitude of plans and options. One thing being in this business that we become very accustomed to is pricing for different types of services. So how much do blinds cost in a home? What would it cost to replace a countertop that might be granite and upgrade it to a waterfall edge, quartz, something like that. We can kind of help you with an eye on resale, look at where the good points of value are in the builder's offering for upgrades, and also make sure that we don't make any large resale mistakes if that type of input is desired. I've had a lot of people take me up on this, and when they call me to resell the home, I know we always do better because we've really taken a strategic approach to the design of the home. The second main reason to have a broker is advocacy. No matter what the on-site sales agent says, and many of them are very wonderful, but they are not going to be your friend at the end of the day. They have to represent their employer, which is the builder. So we can represent and take up for you. We can help you navigate the process and kind of push things along, especially in a time now where construction is lagging much longer than we would have hoped. And the third and final thing is cost. People always ask me, well, Drew, yeah, we'd love to help you, but it's already expensive to buy a new house. That's fine. The builder covers our charges and compensates us for our work as realtors. And we're also able to intervene and help negotiate a bit for you with the builder where possible. So that's 3 reasons that you want to make sure you have your broker help you with the purchase of new construction. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to add a few clips of this new home that's about to close.